Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I'm going to do the package opening and review about the Razer 15-inch arc design adjustable shower extension arm with stainless steel profile. I got this order from seller in a bubble wrap packing. If you are buying a rainfall shower head or already have one, then this is the well-suited longest extension arm on the market to buy. For your information, it's not made of steel, but it has a look and feel of steel and really go well with your other steel attachments. And the length of arc design extension arm is 14 inch. It came with Teflon threads, seal tape, washer and filter mesh washer. Extra large wing nut for easy and reliable hand tightening is angle adjustable. You don't need any tool to install this and you can connect in minutes to any standard overhead shower arm. Now you can see how it looks after installation. It's very elegant, goes really well with stainless steel shower head. It comes with limited 10-year warranty with live customer service representative in US. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel for upcoming interesting videos. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below and don't forget to like. You can also find the link of this product in the description. Thank you very much. Bye.